And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to recover your timeline. There are 3 common mistakes related to it that I make myself from time to time. The first one is you close your timeline menu. So if you can't see that anymore, just go to Window, there you'll find it, click on it, and it should reopen. Let's now say that we've got a project right there. Let me copy it a little bit. Sometimes you have a very complex project, and if that gets closed, it's tiresome to redo it, so you want to recover it. So let me just close this. We'll assume it's by accident. Let us go to Window. I reopen the timeline. The menu is back, but all of the files that we've put into the timeline, they are not recovered. But we can find that in the projects menu. It's called Sequence. You can find this little icon at the bottom right. Just double click on it, and then all our files are recovered in the timeline as well. For some of you, it looks like a list. When you've got that, you can see a green square, which indicates a sequence. Let me just rename this. Double click on the green square, and it's recovered as well. A third way it might be displayed is the freeform. In this case, you've got these big windows and a green square at the bottom right. Another common mistake is that you've deleted your sequence in the project menu. You can just undo it, pressing Ctrl Z, or go to Edit and Undo until it is recovered. And then you can double click on it and it will be in the timeline again. And this is how you can recover your timeline and your projects in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.